we'll see what takes place. Speaking of OnePlus, they're also apparently working on a truly wireless earbud to also arrive in July. It's, of course, AirPod inspired, as any headphone would be in 2020. Popularity of AirPods, pretty stinking obvious. I don't need to tell you. The one killer piece here is that they're going to be black, which your AirPods are not. And people have asked for it, and I think that's a smart move. Don't make them white. Oppo put out the white version of this, and then it's like too close. Plus, the market is so satisfied in that department.
Yes.
You go with black, and it's like, okay. And maybe you might convince somebody who just didn't want to wear white earbuds for whatever reason, style-wise. So that's kind of an interesting move. These could launch alongside the OnePlus Nord. It's possible. As much as they look like AirPods as well, the case looks a lot more like the Pixel Buds, the shape of it. The whole thing looks pretty simple, minus the little silver circles, OnePlus brand identity stuff on the side of the earbuds. I don't know if that's a touch panel or what that would be. There's a couple of renders on here. There's no speculation on pricing, but you have to know, if you've been following OnePlus, particularly their headphone products, there has been a real push towards value there as well. Now, who knows anymore with the flagship models and the Nord thing happening? Who knows where they align this thing price-wise? But in the past, with the Bullets stuff, they were coming lower. It was more of a value proposition, around $50, if I recall correctly. You have them at 69 Canadian. I believe they're $50. Now, that's a different thing because you have a wire there. I don't expect these to be that cheap, but I'm curious if they can make a real value play and then get people going. It's quite possible.